Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. We've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, plan on the screen. Yeah, the government of Jamaica is still trying to save face over by Vybz Kartel being let free because honestly, you can't be having convicted murderers walking around free, making millions of dollars, selling out arenas and things. People putting at the comment section what you think about this article. On the see in front of you, I can press pause and read it, but me just like a paraphrase it. Basically, Skies is saying, because of the jury misconduct, people them not trust the justice system in a Jamaica. And I think that's totally false because if it was DPP and the judge doing their job correctly, then would have been throw out that case there and retrial it from the start. You know what I mean? So a whole heap of corruption on both sides. You know what I mean? And it's weird that a DPP and a judge can violate people's constitutional rights and nobody now focus on that. And that's how Jamaica is still a 100-world nation trying to move like a first world nation. You know what I mean? We say Lizard Moms is saying that she not trust the justice system, but yet Fia's son did out here criminal activities. You know what I mean? Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next trending topic. Me say I deal with Vybz Kartel. It's Shatta Walle, cause him say him is the Dancehall king of Africa. And them all over Kartel page. And no, we see that he got picked up for fraud. You know what I mean? Somebody was taking down his music because of freedom information them use to get all of these Lamborghinis and stuff. So right now, Shatta Walle is fighting the fence and he's fighting. And the artist you call MOG Beats, Mark Beats. You see what I say? Because all of him music is being taken down from Apple and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? Putting in the comment section where I go on front to go on, you see me? Because I know I say the African them good at lying, And that includes the ones in Jamaica. Because I go on like say I'm not African. You know what I mean? But me say all of this thing transpire in social media in less than 3. You see, because say they get a purple Lamborghini after them say the yellow one did scammers. You see what I say? But me not gonna read out everything that, Mag Beats is saying against Shatta Walle. And it's all bagga mix up, you see me? You see my some people. Anyway, when I go along with this long, I'm just gonna give them quick update here and idea, you see me? Don't forget to swing for me the next channel for here where I go on for that to go on with squash. And a woman who said she sent him go prison.
One is stupid. I would have said that, Squash will come back to Jamaica. Keep your eyes open. You cannot fight a youth. What is a blood clot star? You can't take nothing from Squash. More than one of TikTok vultures who is a drunko. Sit down and wait for the dead meat, them dead for name out them wall. I saw the whole of mix up boy and girl. Big up to who wish good for my son. Big up to who talk positive things about my son. Big up to it, but say only got dirty negative boy. Can't chat about bad disappear. Drop on a 3 fight and see if you're not done. Yes, I hit already. Drop on a 3 fight and see if someone not dead.